Creative Connections is a pilot programme, so we decided to do things a little bit differently by offering creative options for people to express themselves to support their overall well-being and mental health. We wanted to support both young people and adults. So the idea of the project is to create different creative alternatives to support well-being and mental health, but not just with activities, but also then offer social prescribing and signposting into other community groups that people might not be aware of, so that they can engage to help reduce isolation, improve confidence and empower people to be themselves.
You can openly talk here because everybody's got some knee problems. I find they are very therapeutic and make some nice friends here.
When you're outside, you know, it just feels like everyone's judges you and stuff. But when you're here, it's like you can just be yourself and not worry about anything.
For someone with anxiety, depression, low mood, for example, life can be just an existence. And I think to be creative can have a real positive impact on mood, lower levels of anxiety, it can improve confidence. And at the same time, you're partaking in a social activity.
So we've developed a wonderful project with Bridgend College. We co-designed 3 workshops supporting a specific cohort of students within Bridgend, the ILS students. Those coping mechanisms that they've learned in the workshop, the students, they're taking home. So it's having a ripple effect. What we're finding is that the carers and parents that needed support were able to signpost them, and it was really, really successful. So on the adult side, we worked with some fantastic partners as well. We worked with Tanio, we've worked with Cardiff Met University, we've got art therapy students that are doing the placements with us. What we've seen mostly is the community connection and the peer support that's happening, the informal support. It's been fantastic because people are opening up. Another part is supporting our dementia hub through Music in the Mind and other creative activities, which has been huge. Again, through the funding we've been able to develop it. We've now got some regular volunteers that are musicians that are coming in and they're doing music for the mind. And to see people with early onset dementia, music opens up their mind and relaxes them. People who are looking after the ones with dementia get an opportunity to re-engage with their loved ones in a safe environment and possibly do activities that they wouldn't normally do, and it gives an opportunity for the carers then. To date, we've engaged with just over 600 individuals. We've engaged with over 93 students. People are starting to see the creative pathways as an alternative to just coming into a drop-in centre maybe, or going and looking for advice.
Proud of what I've done, because some of the things I've done is like, well, I've done that, you know, yeah.
When you see something you've done, I think, well, I've done that. So it makes you feel better about yourself.
Once the creative sort of spirit is unleashed, as it were, I think people really feel the benefit of that.